core engineering is something which possibly got diluted over the last decade because of the influx of IT, information technology. When I say information technology, a lot of automation, technology related to automation, and that these are all highly paid jobs because we needed to automate almost everything that came from the first industrial revolution. So there's a lot of work. The work that needs to be done in a short span of time was very heavy, so demand for these people are heavy, so they were paid high. But that phase is getting over. So we need to go back to the core engineering. Okay, if you take anything, even a car, it's a mechanical device. Maybe the technology which is driving it is electrical. Again, a core engineering. So it's a combination of mechanical and electrical, right? You cannot move from one place to other place without a car or an aeroplane or a rail. All these things are manufactured. And who manufactures? A mechanical engineer designs, and the tools for manufacturing may have changed, but the core engineering still remains. So if that is a train which is taking you from point A to point B, the entire train is designed by a mechanical engineer. So we talk about metro, and metro train is developed by a mechanical engineer, but the tunnel and everything is done by a civil engineer. Okay, the entire metro construction which is happening right across, now Chennai specifically, all over the place, if you go underneath, you'll know exactly how civil engineers are working, creating tunnels. And you have electrical engineering parallelly running because everywhere it's driven electrically. So the basic principles of mechanical, electrical, civil are there to stay for long. Maybe the tools and technologies are going to aid this core engineering, but you cannot replace the core engineering knowledge which will surface, and it is relevant even today. Only thing is, yes, with more and more automation, more and more tools you have, it's a lot easier for you to convert your designs into reality. Otherwise, the basic design, the basic thought process regarding the mechanical core mechanical engineering or a civil engineering or electrical engineering remains the same. So there is no changes in the fundamentals. So the fundamentals are very important. What is working today as internet technology or the technology on top of it is all on the fundamentals. So naturally the fundamentals are not going to alter. So the future of core engineering is here to stay. The more you know, the more prized you are as we move along. Okay, so get back to core engineering.